Hi, we got something for you. Okay, this is awesome. Bagger foot controls, or mid controls they call it actually. Mid controls, you can see here from the position they're in. Arlren Ness, beautiful quality. Okay, so that's fitted. Very simple to fit, as you can see. So they're not too far forwards and give you a lot more, you know, like the FXRs, most people prefer mids to forwards. He didn't like the boards, the customer, and these are Arlren Ness, which are beautiful quality. This particular one, he's going to have these beautiful kinetic pegs. Okay, they come complete with the adapters there, and that allows you to put them in there. That will obviously go up. Now you can see the usual Arlren Ness quality, very well made, beautiful, beautiful quality. Okay, and you can see here again, very well made stuff. Nice linkage. That one's still wrapped, and so is the shift arm that goes onto your tranny. Okay, this one's obviously undone to show you it connected. Now this is very well made as well. If you want to check the quality, it's all billet CNC, and again this is engraved with the Arlren Ness logo, etc. You know, and the instructions are pretty clear. Okay, so on the instructions you shouldn't have any problem at all fitting these things. It shows you very graphically exactly how to fit them. Okay, so anyone literally can do this. You don't need to be a super duper mechanic, bleed any brakes or anything else. Okay, these particular items say made by Arlren Ness in USA, so you're not looking Chinese crap, if you excuse the phrase. But different foot pegs, obviously. These are kinetics we've used. You could obviously fit pretty well any Kuriakin pegs at all. You know, black, chrome, you know, whatever you wanted, in all honesty. But got to admit, they are the coolest looking foot mids I've ever seen. Okay, you know, very strong as well. The other option you got is these performance machines, which are particularly weird to me. That really looks weird on the outside of your case, and if you ever came off, imagine that goes straight into your primary and into your, you know, your tranny, etc. It just seems a bit of a dumbass design and pretty hideous, to be honest with you. Whereas this setup, very cool, very well made. Okay, cracking bit of kit, not cheap. You are looking over £1,000 a set, but look at the quality of these, and they will do exactly as it says on the tin, like most of Arlren Ness's stuff. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu, if it ever gets done. And email sales@customcruisers.com, or call me 01773 835 666. If you're in the USA, obviously you can buy these here or there. It's 386 492 1711. That will divert you straight to Britain. Thank you.